Hey guys, before I start the video, I just want to mention this was extra footage from the previous repo video that I made just a day ago. This is some extra footage that wasn't used, although I decided to use it for this video since I just thought it was really funny, and yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a short one, but I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now, so bye. The fucking echo on that shit. Why is that so intense in the fucking rooms? So I can hear it. I'm like, this.
Oh, monkey!
Let's go to the next room. Shut up. I can hear it on the other fucking. Oh my god, I can hear it. Oh, monkey! Like, actually found monkey. Hey, duck.
What the fuck? You right there, mate.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, hell yeah! This looks like you!
What?
This looks like you.